discovered by Isaac Newton. This concept which we are going to study today. Okay, that concept was told by Newton. Okay, so pay attention. Okay, now we'll consider a principal section of prism. This is considered to be the prism. Okay, you have seen the prism is basically made up of the glass. Okay, and we'll consider this triangular form as a prism. And when what happened, when white light hits this prism, okay, when white light is incident on the prism, the white light is a combination of 7 different colors. This is the thing which was first time told by Newton. Okay, the white color light is a combination of 7 different color which is seen in the rainbow, right? So we'll see here in this slide. You have done one activity also in the lower classes, that if you take a cardboard and if you color it with the 7 different colors, and if you take a Newton disc which is called as a Newton disc with the 7 colors on it, rotate the disc as fast as you can. So when you rotate this disc, as it keeps on rotating, after some time you will see there is no color in this. It turns to white, but as soon as it comes to a rest, it again you can see the colors in that. So this proves that all the 7 colors are made from the white color. Okay, so this is called as Newton disc. When light is a white light is a combination of many colors. So every color has a different refractive index. हर एक कलर का जो refractive index होता है, जो वैल्यू होता है हर एक कलर का, वो डिफरेंट होता है. Refractive index means what? Bending capacity of light. कितना लाइट कितना बेंड होगा. Red color, violet color, blue color, green color. These are the different colors of light. Okay, how much it will bend? It will depend on the refractive index. You can see this is a color. This is a rainbow. This diagram you have seen earlier also in lower classes. It is there in your textbook also. Page number 77 of your textbook, figure 6.8, that is dispersion of light. Okay, you can see these 7 colors you can see, which is considered with the rainbow color. You can see here Vibgyor, you can remember as 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the phenomenon of splitting of light into its component color is dispersion. Definition can come in examination. What is dispersion? So the phenomenon of splitting of light, when the light split into its component color, then it is called as dispersion. The band of color component of light beam is called spectrum. Okay, तो स्पेक्ट्रम क्या होता है कि ये पूरे बैंड ऑफ कलर को हम लोग स्पेक्ट्रम बोलते हैं. एनीवे इफ यू इट इज राइट नाउ इट इज two things you should just remember. One is a dispersion and one is a spectrum. Red color deviates the least. Now you can see the red color which is at the top, it deviates the least, means it does not turn, it generally travel in a straight line. क्यों? Because इसकी refractive index जो है, that is bending capacity of light is less, तो सबसे कम bend होता है red light. And violet color deviates the most, while the violet color which is there at the bottom you can see it deviates the most. So सबसे बेंडिंग कैपेसिटी सबसे ज़्यादा या सबसे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सबसे ज़्यादा किसका होगा? वायलेट का होगा, बिकॉज द बेंडिंग कैपेसिटी इज मोर. और सबसे कम रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स किसका होगा? रेड कलर, बिकॉज द बेंडिंग कैपेसिटी इज लेस. ओके, now these are the 3 concepts, just we'll go through it once again. This is a refraction that we have studied in the first chapter, in the first I think so lecture. Okay, I'll say refraction is what? Change in a direction when light travel from one transparent medium to another. Second concept now we have seen, that is dispersion. White color disperse into 7 different, splitting of light into 7 components. The phenomena of splitting of light into its component color is called dispersion. And third concept is total internal reflection, take place only under the specific condition. And we know that is when the angle becomes more than critical angle. That time angle of incident when crosses the critical angle, okay, that time we say that the TIR, that is total internal reflection, has taken place. So till now we have seen these 3 concepts, okay, and I hope it is clear with that, right. Now we will talk about this beautiful picture, that is rainbow. You have seen the rainbow okay, in a different format. So let us understand how does a rainbow formation take place. So let's begin. Rainbow is seen in the sky after a small shower of rain. Generally, after a rain, you can see a rainbow. After a small shower, there should be a bright sunlight. After a rain shower, if the bright sunlight is there, so there is a chances of rainbow can be seen. So let us understand how does a rainbow form. Rainbow formation. Consider a raindrop. See, raindrop is very small. Water drop, you can see a raindrop. But we have consider a big raindrop so that we can make you understand that how does a rainbow form. Observer. In raindrop you can see this is a raindrop and outside that it is an air. Sun. Light ray travel from the air to raindrop, that is from rarer to denser. Light is traveling from rarer to denser, right? Because air is a rarer medium and raindrop is a denser medium. This raindrop behave like a prism. Now it will behave like a prism because it is also a transparent medium. Hence, along with the refraction, dispersion also take place. इसमें refraction तो होगा ही because it is a transparent medium. But at the same time, the dispersion also take place. Now let us see. This line is called as normal, which has been drawn, right? And then you can see in the raindrop itself, 7 colors you can see, rainbow color you can see. Now this 7 colors travel from raindrop to air. Now it will come back again, it will come outside, right? This raindrop जो आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ये raindrop में जो आपको ये 7 colors जो दिख रहे हैं, ये 7 colors सभी जो कलरफुल रे ऑफ लाइट है ये सभी बाहर आने वाले हैं रेन ड्रॉप के, क्योंकि अंदर ही तो नहीं रुकने वाले, ये बाहर आ जाएंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम. नाउ दिस 7 कलर्स ट्रैवल फ्रॉम रेन ड्रॉप टू एयर, दैट इज फ्रॉम डेंसर टू रेयर. डेंसर टू रेयर अब ट्रैवल करेंगे तो आपको पता है कि इट बेंड्स अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल. एंड इफ दे आर हिटिंग एट एन एंगल ग्रेटर देन क्रिटिकल एंगल, अगर क्रिटिकल एंगल से बढ़ जाएंगे अगर ये तीनों ये सभी रेज ऑफ लाइट, तो आपको पता है कि क्या होता है, TIR होता है, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन विल टेक प्लेस. अब देखिए इसमें कैसे होता है टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. फर्स्ट रिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्शन, ये दो चीज़ हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे. रिफ्रैक्शन हुआ है और डिस्पर्शन हो गया. डिस्पर्शन कैसे पता चला डिस्पर्शन हुआ है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ बीन white color light has been divided into 7 different colors. Basically you know the sun is also white in color, right? तो इसमें से जो लाइट निकल रहा है वो वाइट ही है, बट आपको सन येलो दिखता है बिकॉज और एट द टाइम ऑफ सनसेट और सनराइज आपको सन का कलर रेडिश या ऑरेंज दिखता है बिकॉज वो रे ऑफ लाइट आपकी आंखों में आ रही है, ओके, एट दैट मोमेंट. सो बेस एक्चुअली द सन कलर इज वाइट ओनली. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट instead of going out, okay, it has internally reflected because of TIR, that is total internal reflection. Again 7 colors, different colors, 7 different colors travel from raindrop to air, that is denser to rarer, and this time they should be hitting at an angle less than critical angle, so only refraction will take place. देखिए 3 चीज़ हो रही है यहाँ पे, पे अटेंशन ना. फर्स्ट रिफ्रैक्शन एंड डिस्पर्शन हुआ, सेकेंड यहाँ पे TIR हुआ, TIR दैट इज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. अब यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है आप देखिए, रिफ्लेक्शन होने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे रिफ्रैक्शन हुआ है, ओके, रिफ्रैक्शन. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन दिस 7 कलर्स कम्स आउट एंड हिट्स टू द ऑब्जर्वर आइज, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू कैन सी द रेनबो कलर, दैट इज 7 कलर्स you can see on the sky, correct? So this is how the rainbow formation take place. Rainbow is a beautiful nature phenomenon. It is a combined effect of the number of natural process. It is a combined effect of, देखिए ये रेनबो किससे बनता है, कंबाइन इफेक्ट से बनता है, 3 चीज़ से. फर्स्ट डिस्पर्शन, रिफ्रैक्शन एंड टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. 3 चीज़ से बनता है, आपको हमेशा याद रखने हैं रेनबो. वन इज अ डिस्पर्शन, आप देख सकते हैं अपनी स्क्रीन पर, ओके. सेकेंड इज अ रिफ्रैक्शन एंड थर्ड इज अ second is a reflection, that is total internal reflection, and third is a refraction. It can be seen mainly after a rainfall. Small droplets of water act as a small prism. छोटे छोटे जो water droplets होते हैं वो prism की तरह behave करते हैं. When light ray from the sun enters these droplets, it get refracted and dispersed. Then there is a internal reflection as shown in the figure. आप देख सकते हैं figure में internal reflection आपको दिख रहा है. And after that, once again the light get refracted while coming out of the droplet. All these three processes together produce the rainbow. So I hope now it is clear that how the rainbow formation take place. Okay. So small paragraph is also given in your textbook. Just go through it. And the diagram of rainbow is very important that you have to draw. You will get the figure on the page number 78, figure 6.10, rainbow production. Correct? So I hope it is clear. Okay. Now we will move to the another topic, that is sunrise and sunset. Advanced sunrise and advanced sunset. This is a picture of sunrise, but it is called as advanced sunrise. Why? Let us understand the concept. Why it is called as advanced sunrise? The sun appeared to rise 2 minutes earlier. See, now here the concept that you will see, it's a little bit different concept. Okay, here you will see that the sun has been risen 2 minutes earlier. Now how does it possible? See, let us understand with the help of this diagram. Now this is a earth observer, and you know it is surrounded by the atmosphere, earth. And we will consider one line, horizontal line. Okay, that is called as horizon. Horizon is a line of visibility. Now here we will consider to be the sun. It is early now, morning is going to be taken place. Now sun is going to rise. Okay, still the sun has not risen. Now sun is going to rise. Okay, so this is a rising sun. That means that the observer should not able to see the sun. मतलब अभी observer को sun नहीं दिखेगा. Okay, because it is below the line of horizon. But the ray of light will travel from sun to observer taking a curved path, that is refraction. लेकिन ये horizon के नज़दीक आ गया है सन, आप देख सकते हैं जो rising sun है, ठीक है. तो उसके जो ray of light होंगे that will spread, scattered, and this scattered ray of light will also travel in the observer eyes in the form of refraction. देखिए bend होके जा रहा है refraction of light, दिख रहा है आपको? This ray of light is bending and it is going towards the observer eyes, because earth is in oval shape, so light cannot travel in a straight line, it will bend and it will go. Okay, that is refraction of light. Observer feel that the light is coming from the above, लेकिन observer को क्या लगेगा light कहाँ से आ रहा है? He will feel that the light is coming from here. तो ऑब्जर्वर किस तरह से देखेगा? आप देखिए यहाँ से लाइट आ रहा है, ये यहाँ से लाइट आ रहा है, राइट. बट ऑब्जर्वर को क्या लगेगा लाइट यहाँ से आ रहा है, तो ऑब्जर्वर सीधा देखेगा इधर. ओके, एंड ही विल सी द सन हियर. You can see this is a position. So this is the actual position of the sun, rising sun. This is the real position which have came near to the horizon, but this is a apparent position. Apparent मतलब not real. Observer को लग रहा है कि sun यहाँ पर है, ये position पे, but sun is not here. This is an apparent position. Okay, so and he will feel that the sun has risen 2 minutes earlier only. So this concept is called as advanced sunrise. Now delayed sunset. This is a picture of delayed sunset. Okay, sun has set, but according to the observer it will be a different thing. Now see, the sun appears to be set 2 minutes late. Sun is already set, but we see that the sun has not set. After 2 minutes it is going to set. Why? Again the same concept. Earth, observer, earth is surrounded by atmosphere, one line is the horizon. Now you can see here, this is a setting sun. Now let us consider that the sun has taken place, sunset has taken place, sun already set हो चुका है. Okay, that is sun is below the horizon, but according to the observer, so observer should not be able to see the sun. अगर sun set हो चुका है तो sun नहीं दिखना चाहिए ना, but observer will see the sun. Why? But the ray of light will travel from the sun to the observer taking a curved path. Here also the same thing is going to take place. This ray of light is still traveling because it is near to the horizon. So it will, ray of light will travel to the observer eyes, you can see here, and observer feel that the light is coming from the above, उनको लगेगा लाइट यहाँ से आ रहा है, ये देखिए ये पोजीशन से. So and he will feel that the sun is here. So this is the apparent position of the sun. Sun has already set, but he will feel that the sun is not set, and after 2 minutes this sun also he will not able to see this apparent position, and that time he will see and he will say that the sun has now set. So this is a concept about advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay. In this way the length of the each day increases by 4 minutes on account of atmosphere refraction. अच्छा ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट क्यों होता है, क्यों हमें पहले सन राइज दिख रहा है 2 मिनट अर्लियर जबकि सन राइज ही नहीं हुआ है, और हमें सन जब सेट हो गया है फिर भी सन दिख रहा है. ओके और 2 मिनट के बाद वो जो अपेरेंट पोजीशन है सन का वो भी नहीं दिखेगा. ठीक है, तो 2 मिनट्स इन सनराइज एंड 2 मिनट्स इन सनसेट, टोटल 4 मिनट्स. तो ये जो 4 मिनट्स का जो डिफरेंट आता है पूरे दिन में. Okay, and this take place because of the atmosphere refraction. If the earth has no atmosphere this effect would not occur. ये सब हमको क्यों दिखता है, because of the refraction, because of the atmospheric refraction, and refraction take place only because of the atmosphere. If there is no atmosphere no refraction would take place. Okay, so that's it student in this video. So we have done with this chapter, and now theory part is over. You can just go to the textbook and refer it, and numericals will solve in the next lecture. Thank you so much.